Hey guys, it's Amber and I am so excited to share with you a walkthrough of my new Elle's Studio Document December products. I haven't even opened the box yet. So it's crazy that we are already looking at December products in August. She has an amazing option right now where if you're a subscriber, you can either use a coupon code to save 10% and on your entire order, or you can choose to have free shipping with your bundled subscription next month. But I wanted this in my hand so I could see it. I'm a little bit impatient and I get really excited about December daily. So let me just kind of organize a bit here. Let's do the embellishments first and then I'll open up the main kit here. So as you can see, I did invest in the Star Jane alphabet stamp. It's awesome for December, but this could be really cute for a lot of things. It's a great size. The alphabets are 1.5 inches tall. So are the numbers. And there's a few exclamation points and punctuation things there, which is really cool. I just thought this would be a really fun set. So we've got a 6x8 alpha and a 4x6 number set. We've got the cork December 2021. Here's the thank you card. I actually save these. These make, they're great cardstock for punching out or if you need to line something really quickly. So we've got the chipboard trees. These are pretty awesome. There's like 10, 11 on there plus the stars. They're really cute. They're matte so you can stamp on them, which is really fun. I did not get everything. But I got the Simple Joys puffy stickers here. These are cute. They've got the little cookies, little cups. A lot of these designs are similar from her year to year, but I'm okay with that. Like, I love the fact that there's all these cocoa or coffee mugs or tea mugs, whatever you want to use them for, but there's 5 and my little family has 5 people. So I could do a card about what everyone's favorite drink is or how they like their hot cocoa. So that could be really fun. And we have the cardstock stickers here. She had some really cute similar stickers last year with all of these awesome cookie designs and I just loved them. These look like a nice matte finish again. So if you want to like stamp something on there or write something on there, you could. But yeah, just some really fun, like the milk and cookies, just adorable. And the great thing about Elle's Studio products is that her colors coordinate year to year. There's always a dark green, a mint green, a red and a pink, and then gray sprinkled in. So you know that the products will coordinate year to year. Here I just wanted some fun journaling cards that were in the color schemes. And again, they could be used for other things, but you know, they have the fun stars. So we've got a green, a blue, which she's known for. I love her blue, the gray, pink. This is more of like a sagey green than a minty green, but black, red, and kind of like a periwinkle blue sort of there. And I got the Jane alphabet stickers in this nice dark green. These look to be about 1 inch tall. Maybe they're 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch. So just thought that would be a nice color to have for Christmas. She's got tons of letters on there and tons of numbers and punctuation pieces again. Here we have the 6x8 paper pack. Hers are actually 6x8.5, which is awesome for height. Most often the things I use out of the page protector are 8.25, so it gives you a little bit of room. It has 15 designs and you get 2 of each. You can keep this. You could make something fun out of this or punch something out. You know, you never know. But we've got this nice light sage green with green dot stripes. Got a pink ledger with 1 through 25. This is based off of one of the new stamp sets that I didn't get. That's December 1 through 31. Kind of like typewriter keys. A great bold stripe here. This is really pretty. Love that. A nice red on red monotone candy stripe. This is, trying to figure out, they kind of have a hand-drawn look, but it might be because it's big and small plus signs. Green on green. This is a fun one with the different strips. You could cut those out or use those to make a fun pattern page. Gray on gray stars. A great navy blue polka dot. Really pretty stripe pattern here with all the colors. Green trees. Red hearts. I think this one's my other favorite, these awesome candy canes. This one is Fa La La over and over with a little star in black and white, and then a green Christmas tree bough pattern. So these three are probably my favorite and most likely to be used right away, especially for like tree decorating photos. It's a great background. So we've got pattern papers. And let's set that aside and jump into the main kit. All of that product, and we still haven't even gotten to the main kit yet. Kits are so worth the money. They're chock full of products. I love how many cards she includes. Oops, packaging was ripped, but these are these really fun star paper clips. I've never seen her have something like that before, so you get 8 of those. So she always does a really great calendar. So this year it's pink with some pink stripes at the bottom and 2021 there. I'll include that with my papers. There's some stickers here that are white with all kinds of different like holiday movie time, a Christmas tree directly from the North Pole, enjoying all the Christmas lights, counting down the days. There's some great sentiments and then a few colorful flags here. We've got the Santa's Favorite chipboard stickers. Again, they're this great matte finish. Little candy canes and presents, just a few fun icons, some great sentiments, and then some tags that you can write your own info on, which is great, or stamp a date. So pretty fun there. These are heart and star acetate stickers. So if you layered them, you could get a really cool look, especially if you did like a dark green small and on like a light green, you know, get a really fun layered look, but they're also see-through on whatever you put them on. And there's 2 sheets. There's tons of product in there. This is the Jane alphabet stickers in white, same as the green ones that I did an add-on for. We've got die cuts here. And she's always got so much in here. I'll just go through kind of a couple. I usually tend to kind of color coordinate mine. I'll put them in piles where they're mainly red, pink, green, black, whatever. But this one has some pieces you can punch out, so it's kind of like a multi-layered, so like a portrait kind of, and then there's a frame here, and then a red die cut as well. And same with this one. It's got quite a few layers here. The white stripe pops out, and then there's a frame, and then another frame. It says it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. There's a couple of these here. So this one's red with joy. And then these are really intelligently designed because there's so many pieces here. This one says December 2021. So when I see products like this that have the date, when I make my plans, if you will, for the, I call it a product gathering, but like anything that's dated, I will make sure that I slide that in there so I don't forget to use it. Here's another one that came out of the center of one of those. It says holiday photograph. We've got a little official countdown calendar. We've got some presents. Here's a great page opener. Again, I'll make sure that that gets put to the front so I don't forget it's there. And then I can use that towards the front of my album. Looks like some really fun sentiments here. I'm just gonna kind of organize them and then go through them. This awesome scripty font here. It's got some light banners, which are so fun. You could cut out your own tree and use those to help decorate. Here's a tree die cut. Seeing several candy canes, and then lots of these more presents. Some December blocks in different colors. You can put your own date or add a sentiment. We've got a bah humbug because that's real. Wish list. Quite a few tabs here that are blank. Got some sentiments like deck the halls, all is calm, all is bright, ho ho ho, with a tag cut out there so you can hang it. Got another December Sorry, I've got no nails right now. Here's a Dear Santa, which is really cute. I painted my nails too many times and now I have no fingernails. They're peeling and chipping. Some more plain flags here. Gotta love this. This is a great holiday tradition. This one I will always stick in there because it's, you know, can go with anything. Then we've got quite a few hearts and stars here in different colors. Black and blue. I love that she always includes blue because I find that I don't collect enough blue products, but then I want to use them. So here's another candy cane. So kind of just grouping by type here. And then there's some great sentiments. So we've got 'Tis the Season. I'll push some of these up here. Oh, what fun. Wonder. We've got Fa La La. Good times. There's another heart. We've got Christmas together. And a really cute Merry and Bright. So those are really fun. And I can't wait to play with those and organize them a little bit here. And then last but not least, we've got the cards. You can see it's like super full. There's quite a few 3x4 cards, which is what I find that I use and want the most of when I buy products. Let me just get organized a little here. All right, we'll do the 4x6 cards first. So we've got 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. Love this because it pulls in all these colors but gives you 4 little micro story options. They all say remember this. You could put a little stamp there or a sticker, or heck, you could put like a little heart or star and number on top of that. There's so many fun things you could do with it. Got December 2021. May your days be merry and bright. We've got the official countdown with days left till Christmas. You can write it in and put some journaling or a photo. It's a great striped card. This was magic. And then a green 4x6 card with stars. And we've got this multi-pattern 3x4. We've got a green with a tab there. This would be a fun recipe card where you could stamp a date there or stamp, you know, put 2 of these side by side if you've got kids that you want to compare and contrast. Maybe their wish list. We've got Oh What Fun, we've got Joy. I love this. Shop, wrap, rest, repeat. That's going in my book immediately. We got gray stars. Got 5 stars here. Christmas concert. I love these. She does these kind of cards every year. So there's Christmas concert, Christmas gathering. We've got stars and hearts. Christmas favorite. Got a red and green on this day. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough. The very merry details, tradition, family favorite or fun, jingle bells, add to cart, that's adorable, which would pair perfectly with that shop and wrap card. 'Tis the season to be together. She always includes a holiday playlist card, which is fun. There's just a simple 1, 2, 3. And what's awesome about this is like when you're done with December, throw this in your stash if you don't use it and put it, you know, you can use it for anything. My favorite card that she always has every year is a Christmas tree details. It's always a real or artificial, the date you put it up, who decorated it, and your favorite ornaments. Love it. It's easily my favorite card. I use them every year. This one says Simple Joys of this Season. Stamped 4 times there so you can write in 4 simple joys. A great currently card. So currently during the holidays, eating, watching, reading, listening, decorating, baking, making, visiting, and enjoying. Details from Christmas Eve, which is always one of my favorites, and she always includes a details from Christmas Day, so I always make sure I include those. I love specific directed journaling cards like that. Got this awesome stripe, and then it's the most wonderful time of the year. Great cards, great collection. I'm so excited now for December Daily, just seeing all this. So there's quite a few more products that I did not get. Obviously there's like several stamp sets. I have a lot of December stamps. I find that I'm not much of a stamper. I'm trying to be. I in fact made a album of my stamps and my inks recently, so that is helping me be more aware of what I have. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'll be collecting a few more kits and I'll be doing unboxing videos for those as well. And then when I have all the products, I will do my famous product gathering video. It always does Gets so many hits. People love it because it's not foundation pages, but it's just products that I've gathered that make sense together that I don't want to forget to use. Like these, you know, which I've already separated because they're some of my favorites. These are awesome. So thanks so much for watching.